Hello all, this video shows a Python code of how to find and time. Now the time was 2:06 p.m. in India. So this is the time when I am taking this video. So uh, 2:06 only. So maybe it may vary 1 minutes etc. So for that we have to import the libraries like from data time import star. Then other libraries like import by TS. So for in that I'm just calling the TZ India as Asia, since in Asia we are in India, we are following the Asia Kolkata time zone, and then we are just declaring that in an uh, variable like date time dot now and making to print that. So I said that initially it was 2:06, so now it was 2:07 p.m. That is 24 hours format will only be followed over here. So now it is 14:07:15. So I am running one more time, so you will just see the difference. Now in the output it is 14:07:15. So if I am running one more time means the this may vary, that is seconds may vary, so you can notice the seconds variation. So this is the Python code to find the time in India. For some other countries you have to just change over here. Thank you.